How to add a story to offline list on Wattpad. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add any story to offline list on Wattpad easy and fast. So first thing, go to Wattpad and now choose the story that you want to add. Go to library and choose the story, for example this one, and click on it. Now click add to offline list from here, and it's added successfully. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.